Wire bonding, traditionally used in semiconductor manufacturing, has now entered into NexLogic Technologies' PCB assembly and manufacturing floor. The wire bonding services we offer are wire, wedge, ball and chip on board or COB assembly, die attach, multi-chip module, and flip chip assembly. We also provide our customers with ACF bonding, which is related to flex bonding on a circuit board. Further, NexLogic offers its customers epoxy and solder die attach, as well as epoxy under film, dam, and fill. These are in conjunction with different wires to be used. For gold bonding, we use 0.5 mil to 3.0 mil wires. For wedge bonding, we can go from 0.8 to 20 mil, and for aluminum wiring, we can go from 1 to 5 mils. As for surface finishes, we use either ENIG or ENEPIG, which is palladium immersion gold. It is a new surface finish, highly conducive for wiring and wedge bonding. When wire bonding is performed, our ancillary services include such bond and shear testing as wire bond pull testing, ball shear testing, and die shear strength testing. Testing is performed to verify integrity of the joints created by wire, wedge, or ribbon bonding. Special testers verify that wiring bonds are pulled at certain forces and adhere to standards. Like a QC or QA process, a written report is generated at the end of those tests to give customers assurances the wire bonding was accurately performed. Expensive, highly sophisticated, and complex sub-micron level detection digital microscope is used on NexLogic's assembly and manufacturing floor to perform and verify wire bonding strength. It verifies bond loops, their curvatures, and measures distance between the die and circuit board for dam fill and underfill. Wire bonding is the latest addition to NexLogic's vast EMS provider capabilities. For the past 20 years, NexLogic has offered premium PCB design, fabrication, and assembly/manufacturing services. Its OEM customers include tech giants such as Intel, Microsoft, Google, and many others. NexLogic was named among the top 10 EMS providers in Silicon Valley by VentureOutsource.com.